Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to blend two images in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, create a design. You can choose any ratio or any size. Is for blending image I will choose this one, YouTube thumbnail size. To blend two images, I need two images. I am selecting this one. I am adjusting it a little bit. Then I am selecting this one. You have to select two images in one page. I am adjusting this one also. Then in the left hand menu, scroll down. There is apps. Click on that. Then search image blender. Hit enter. Then click on image blender. Make sure you selecting the image. If you doesn't select, then you can't see this option. First of all, select the image. Then click on blend selected image. Make adjustment with this point. Let me adjust. You can adjust. There is also some option linear and radiant and strength. Strength means is in this part. I think it's perfect for me. Then that's it.